Nobody even looked at it. Maybe I don't matter anymore. Mom always has time for the baby. No one wants to see it. I got an A+. Great job, me. Mom will be so happy.
She is home.
Mom, look what I got.
Oh, baby. It's okay.
Mom, I got an A+.
1 minute, Mia.
Oh, okay.
Okay, close it fast.
Dad, guess what?
Just a minute, sweetie.
I got the best grade.
I need to finish this first.
Okay, Dad.
We still have so much to do.
Why didn't Mom look?
Is everything ready?
Nothing, honey.
Everyone is too busy today.
Almost ready.
Mia must not see this. You really must not see that.
I must not see what?
Careful, careful.
What is Dad hiding?
You need me again, little one?
Mom always has time for the baby.
Perfect.
No one wants to see it.
Dinner is almost ready.
I will tell them at dinner.
Dinner smells good.
I have something to tell you.
Oh, you're hungry.
Today I got...
I'll get the bottle.
Sorry, honey. What did you say?
Never mind.
Not yet.
Not yet for me again.
I found the secret map.
Use this one.
She will love it.
We used to do everything together.
Sleep, little baby.
Maybe Mom loves the baby more.
I need 5 more minutes.
I don't want to show anyone now.
She deserves this.
Today was not a happy day. Why are the lights off? That's strange. Mom! Dad!
Surprise, Mia!
All of this is for you.
But you did not see my test.
Yes, we wanted to surprise you.
I thought you did not care.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you.
You are never invisible to us. We are proud of you, Mia.
Next time, please listen first.
We will.
Then this is the best surprise ever. It's vocabulary time. Surprise!
Michael, this is terrible! You must do it again right now!
I have too much work. I cannot go home early. I am so tired.
Beatrice, the big meeting is tomorrow. Finish this tonight.
You missed my school play. You promised to come. Liars. You didn't see me dance. You don't love us.
Liam, please listen. We were very busy at work today.
Come on, Mia. They only care about their work.
Hurry up, kids. I have to go to work now. Would you like some pancakes? Here you go.
Daddy, my bicycle is broken. Can you fix it tonight?
Not tonight, Liam. I need to answer these emails.
Mommy, can you read me a story before sleep?
I don't have time, Mia. I must finish my presentation. Finally, the big project is done. We are free.
We ignore our kids too much. We must do something fun.
Yes, let's make a special promise to them today.
Liam! Mia! Come here. We have a big surprise.
What is it? Are you gonna work again?
No work. We promise to take you to the zoo tomorrow morning.
It is true. We will see lions and monkeys. I promise.
Hooray! A promise is a promise. Thank you. Thank you. I will take a picture with the monkeys. I am excited. Will Mom and Dad keep their promise? Subscribe so you never miss what happens next.
What? The server is down. I will come to the office right now.
Oh no, my boss wants the data file immediately. I have to work.
Daddy! Mommy, are you ready? Let's go!
Liam, listen. I have a big emergency at work. I cannot go.
Mommy has to work. Mia, we will go next week.
Okay. You always lie. I don't believe anything you say anymore.
Look at this, Michael. They prepared this for today.
We broke their hearts. We are horrible parents.
Work is ruining our family. This is completely wrong. I will not work today. My children need me.
Hello, boss. I cannot come today. I have a family emergency. Goodbye.
Liam, Mia, open the door, please. We want to talk.
What do you want? Go away and do your work.
We are so sorry, kids. We were very wrong. Please forgive us.
We put our work away. We will go to the zoo right now.
Are you telling the truth? You will not use your phone?
No phones, no work. Only our family today. Trust us.
Did this family's story touch your heart? Subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.